Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your JotForm account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a team member or a collaborator into your JotForm? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin or a team member into one of your JotForms anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different assistants or VAs, and you want to give them access to your JotForm. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your JotForm account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my JotForm, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you're going to be adding a team member into your JotForm, it's going to be handled on the form level. It's not on the account level unless you have an enterprise account. For me, I just have a regular account. So the difference is you can add a team member into one JotForm at a time. You can't add them into the entire account. So for me, that's not a problem. If you want someone to have access to the entire account, you do have to have an enterprise though. So first, what you're going to do is here on the left, you're going to click on all forms. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your JotForms. So you can see I just have these two. And in order to add a team member or an assistant, just hover over the form you want to add them into. So for example, this one, and you're going to see these three options here on the right. Click on edit form. Okay, once you click there, you will see your JotForm. You can see right here. And in order to add a team member or an assistant, here on the top right, you're going to click on add collaborators. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. So here you can, if you want to add people in like assistants or coworkers into the account level, you do need to contact sales, and they're going to go ahead and give you the pricing to have a JotForm enterprise account. However, if you just want to add a team member into one JotForm, which is what we have right here, you're going to see this link right here. So we're going to click on copy link. Now, whoever you send this collaboration link to, they're going to get access to that for 71 hours. So let me go ahead and open up that link and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up the link. So you can see that they have access to build in this JotForm. So they can go ahead and move things around just like I would. Now you can tell that this is a link because up here on the right, it has this kind of general profile icon. And if you click on it, the person can choose to sign up or log into their JotForm to make edits on here. And you can see that it's not my account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a collaborator or team member into one of your JotForms, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.